the route is going to be passing on the Russian water because next to their shore, and there's where it is melting already. The Russians have the icebreaker that's going to maintain it year-round. So it is navigable 9 months, but 3 months need to use icebreaker. As DP World, we are a company in business of cargo handling. Our investment in any place is 40 to 50 years. So these political issues for us are insignificant, because when you look at the risk, the disputes, whatever you name it, if I look at it and divide it on 50 years, it's insignificant for me. It might be important, concerning in a certain period, but if I'm looking at 50 years, that's insignificant for me.
The Chinese, in perhaps talking about escalating, have said that they will look at companies and how they respond to threats from America and whether that puts them off investing or working with Chinese companies. This now has taken on a company level implication. Is that something that concerns you? I understand the point you made about you're in it for the long term, but there is a risk that some companies could come under political pressure.
Technology companies, we are a port handling company. We never had an issue around the world, no matter what, because we handling cargo. We deal in legitimate trade. Now, if United Nations decides on a regulation that is adapted, we will always, follow it. The restrictions of the United States and certain companies, we are abiding by any law that is existing. But we haven't seen a law that is going to restrict our investment anywhere in the world.
You are a great opportunity for me to find out what's really going on in the trade story and in the global growth story. Could you just walk us through the areas where you're seeing the most weakness and perhaps the most strength as we worry about the implications of the trade war?
Well, I tell you, no doubt, and nobody can deny that the Cold War between China and the United States is disturbing the market. We don't see the effect in business, in cargo handling, because I look at the 82 terminals, I see growth. But I think the biggest effect of this Cold War is on the financial institutions. The financial institutions and banks are in the business to safeguard their lending and their assets and money. And they are reluctant to lend as they did in the past. That's, I think, where it's affecting people. But as far as we're concerned, we have a very strong balance sheet. We already have always up our sleeve enough money that we can invest when business with the banks become more expensive. And so as far as our plan for investment, we have no problem.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.